My favorite people, I hope you're doing good. In this video we're going to talk about wallet connection. So I have seen a lot of people complaining about their wallet. Some group of people are seeing different things and the other group are seeing different things. So the first complaints here is this: a lot of people are seeing their wallet part like this. So if you are seeing this, you are messed up. You are totally messed up. You have the biggest problem if you are seeing this. That means you have never even attempted to connect to your wallet, which is necessary. Connection of wallet is necessary. You have to connect to your wallet to go to the next step, next update. You won't be updated next to the next wallet, to the next Blum wallet if you didn't connect to your wallet at all. So if you see this, you're having a problem. What you need to do is just touch the connect wallet part here. When you touch the connect wallet part in here, you're going to see this Stone Keeper, my Tron wallet, whatever. Just connect with anyone. You see Telegram wallet, just touch anyone and connect. All right. If you did not connect, it's a problem because Blum are updating people to the next wallet. After this one you connected, it is going to take you to another wallet. So you have to do this before you are going to be updated to the next wallet. All right. So as you can see here, I just connected my wallet here, you see. So when you connect your wallet, you're going to see something like this. So a lot of people have been asking me, why are they seeing this? They are not seeing the other one, which is the next move. As you can see here, we have Tom Connect here. The first one, which is Tom Connect. The second one is Blum Wallet. After this Tom Connect, after you connect to your Tom Wallet, you would wait for them. They are going to update you to Blum Wallet. So the reason why you are seeing this is maybe you have connected to your wallet late. Maybe you have connected to your wallet late, so you have to wait for them to update you to the second one, which is Blum Wallet. You have to wait for them to update you to the second one, which is the Blum Wallet. All right. So if you are seeing this, it's not your fault. It's not your fault. All right. They are going to update you. Okay. So let's go to the next one and see what is going on. So the other group of people are the people who are seeing this. You see, if you are seeing this, just know that your account is updated. You don't have no problem here. Your account is updated. Maybe you have connected to your wallet earlier as possible. All right. So these are the three next steps. As you can see, there is no problem here. Everyone is going to receive his airdrop. Everyone is going to. You just need to connect to your wallet and wait for them to update you today to this part. If your account is like this, you don't have any issue, you don't have no problem. You just need to wait for them to see what they are going to do next, which is the airdrop. And as you all know that people are talking about Blum everywhere, Blum. So you have to make sure you've connected to a wallet. You have to make sure you connect to your wallet. Please, if you are new to this channel, I need you to subscribe now, because like I promise, always I'll be updating you back to back. Any information, any help you need, I will be updating you. All right. Thank you for watching.